This is the Samsung Galaxy M33, and today we are going to demonstrate you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, open the Google search engine, then type in the Fortnite APK query. After that, among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. After that, once the web page gets loaded, of course, you gotta tap on the download the app from Epic Games link over here. Then confirm that you would like to download the file anyway, even though it might, well, be harmful and what's not. Then open the launcher or the installation file. Prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, you will probably be asked to give it the install unknown apps permission, which you can just go ahead and do. After that, open it. Tap on the black Get button in front of a Fortnite game, and then on this yellow Install button. So as you can see, the Fortnite game has been successfully downloaded and installed. Now we can just go ahead and launch it. And all that it's left to wait for is for, well, Fortnite to update and download all needed resources, and you will be able to start playing it, or, well, start playing the game already. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.